Welcome to CBT, Overcoming CBT with Negative Thoughts. Let us look at how to identify thoughts, feelings and behaviors. Hi and welcome. I am doing this course in association with HV classes and Deccan courses. I suggest you to identify thoughts such as I am in danger, things will go wrong, I will not be able to cope with what happens. What shall I do? There could be real danger or imagined danger. Both can make you anxious. For real danger, you need to make wise decisions, while for imagined danger, you need to replace your thoughts with helpful ones. Identify feelings, such as heart races. The adrenaline rush makes your heart race faster. The blood flows into the arms ready to fight, into the legs ready to fight, and into the lungs to help you breathe as you fight or flight. Breathe faster. The breathing helps to transport the blood to where it is needed most, arms, legs, and lungs. Sweating. You start to sweat as the body releases fluids to help it cool down. Muscles tense up, ready to fight or flight. You may have chest pains, dizziness, and fatigue. Identify behavior, such as you may fight, flight, or freeze. You could use your thoughts to overestimate, exaggerate the danger, and underestimate your coping ability. You can apply this method to any type of problem. Welcome back. Let us look at how to challenge your thoughts. Learning to challenge these negative thoughts and replace them with more fair and realistic thoughts. Challenging negative thinking requires deliberate rethinking of the situation that got you upset. You can use a form similar to the one used for step 1. Have a look at the next page, and you can find a blank version at the back of this guide. First, note the date and make a note of the situation. Next, write down the negative thoughts that seem to be related to how you feel. You can categorize the type of distortion if you want. Then record your emotion or mood and rate its strength. The next step is the most important. Think about the situation and try to come up with a different explanation or a different idea about it. Sometimes this is as simple as reminding yourself you don't have enough information to know for certain what is happening. This process is similar to having an argument with yourself. Fight back against your negative thinking by giving yourself a chance to think fairly and realistically about what has happened. Ask yourself, what would my friend say in this situation if it happened to them? Finally, check your mood after coming up with some different, more rational ways of thinking. The table related to mood checking shows this process in action. You'll find it in the resource section.